Hi guys, today we'll explain how to check failed transfer crypto in Binance. In order to check your transfer history, which has been failed in Binance, you have to follow my method, and that is, click on your Binance to open it. Once it will be open, tap on this Binance icon, which is on the left top, and here you will see few options, but from these you have to select the option More Services. And here, tap on the option Buy Crypto. You can also buy and sell crypto here. But in order to check the failed transfer history, click on this icon, which is on the right top. Here you can see the option of transfer. Just click on it. Here you will see all the transfer history of your crypto. But in order to check failed, click on this filter icon, and here you can see the option of failed. Click on it. Choose your specific date and time and also select your currency. Once you do click on the option Confirm, then the failed transfer crypto history will appear. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.